Alright, we're talking about a bad battery, low battery in this circumstance. This is what it sounds like. That's a low battery. And I wanted to make some other videos, but in this circumstance, that's what you're going to sound with, what it's going to sound like. That right there, that's a low battery. So, like I said, I was planning on making other videos, but I figure I'll make this video. That is the sound of a low battery. If you don't know what that sounds like, that's what that sounds like. That's a low battery. 100%. If you hear that noise, you got yourself a low battery. That's nothing. That's a different issue. You either got a bad ignition switch or bad connection, or your battery's completely dead. That's a low battery. Or you can possibly have a bad connection going to the starter itself, but that sound right there, we'll do it again one more time. Bad battery. Alright. Thanks for watching. Comment, rate, subscribe.